Well, hello guys, and today I'm going to be doing Thanos versus, well, the son of Krypton. Yeah, let's just call him that because he's literally Superman. Everything about him is Superman. If you don't know who I'm talking about, you obviously do. Hyperion. It's it's Hyperion. One of the most broken characters in the game. A god tier champion. One of the only two. Oh my god, I'm not lagging so bad. Stupid regeneration. But the way to play Hyperion is to use his heavy to get Furies, and then, oh my god, I'm lagging so badly, I'm so gonna die. This is so bad. Use his, yes, and then you have to use his 2-star. His 2-star's the strongest, but I have to use his 3-star obviously because it went to his 3-star. The Mad Titan versus the Son of Krypton. Oh, okay. Okay, let's see if I can get a special one down here. Wait, special 2, he's dead. Bye! Woo! That is why Hyperion is a god tier. Look at that. Look at that. That's ridiculous. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Look how much damage she just did. You build up those Furies, and you smack with a 2-star. Didn't even... Ugh, god, it's ridiculous. He just does so much damage. Damage output is ridiculous. And one of my friends got him as a 4-star. I was kind of salty. Anyway, that is the Thanos versus Hyperion fight. Thanks for watching. Bye.